A magic classic whereby solid objects pass through each other. The Chinese linking rings with a mystical spin by Mr. Mark James.
To have the attention of every woman in the room. It is the fantasy of every vato to dance the rumba bombero, to dance on time and to smoke cigarillos and to look real fine. To have the attention of every woman in the room.
nice out in Long Beach. How are you, Jack? You all hear me pretty good in this room, right? Excellent. The other day, Karen and I were in New York City. Went down to the subway platform, waiting for a subway, and it was uncrowded. No one was there at all. Then all of a sudden, we see this gentleman started to read the paper. And as he's reading the paper, it gets a little more and more crowded. And what I saw was really quite amazing. So I want you to imagine, I'm this gentleman reading the paper, the platform in New York City, no one's on the platform, and then all of a sudden, more and more people show up. Okay? He realized he was done with the paper.